Tabiana. Esto es luz viva. Con el taladro está más fácil también. No, tiene que quedar ahí bien. Desapretar. Ok, mira, lo principal es que tú mires que agarre bien el tornillo, que no quede, para que no haga corto, no se tiene que mover este, ok. Tiene que ver bien apretado, para que no vaya a ser corto. Ok, siguiente, otra cosa, tiene que ser cable por cable. No tienes que agarrar los dos y cortar así nomás. Si es luz o no haya luz, de tomamos cable por cable. ¿Ok?
Yes, this is a bilingual family. We do speak English and Spanish, so I'll be translating for the Spanish portion. Okay, look, you have to make sure that the wire fits into the slot so that it's tight. Secondly, it has to be cable for cable. Don't mix and match the pair.
Si así no agarras uno solo, no, sí te da toques, pero son pocos. Sí. Como están. Nomás acuérdate bien que tienen luz. Que las cosas que tienes que estar haciendo, las tienes que estar haciendo con calma.
Just remember that this is electricity, so you have to be patient with it.
Está chido.
Sí, es chido.
Chido just means interesting.
Y nomás lo pones como al lado, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay.
Hay otra manera de hacerla que te queda mejor, pero así haciendo la U. Sí, tira. Pero tío, ¿por qué no lo hace uno? Porque a veces cuando lo quieres quitar da más trabajo.
Oh.
Pero como tú no lo vas a andar arreglando, está bien.
And you only insert the wires on the side, right? Yes, there's another way that is more professional, and that is by creating an O with the wire. But we're not doing this because when you change it out, it can be more work at the end.
No, nomás va a ser.
But this is your house, so you get to do whatever you want with it.
Sí.
El septic.
Ok, no tiene el botón nada.
Entonces, ¿cómo le es para saber dónde va el negro y dónde va el
Nomás
rojo?
le siguió del último. Como lo tenían antes.
Ah.
I'm sure there are some of you out there. Having a bathroom with no windows can kind of suck because then you have this vacuum of a sound just sucking up air through awkward vents. And that awkward vent is where this hole in the wall is right now. And this is a new vent because I'm pretty sure with all the mold in this restroom that this vent is not working. And it sounds a little clunky, so we figured we might as well just buy a new one and install it, which is what we're trying to do right now. It's disgusting. Do you see that yellow and brown blackish tint going on up there and how much black rubble is just falling onto the sink? And so far we've had to cut up the drywall in order to get this one out. It looks like it's been here since they built this condo, which was about 30-osh years ago. But that's basically what we're doing. Hopefully this helps with the humidity and the mold. It hopefully this actually helps us to ventilate, I guess. But yeah. See, look, that's the, see, no, that shouldn't be up there. Once again, this is my brother-in-law helping me with the remodel of this place. I honestly just didn't want to touch that stuff up there, and he was brave enough to do so.
Blanca, fíjate en la caja a ver si traen nueces buenas para el alambre.
Okay.
Nueces.
Nueces?
Ajá.
What's that?